Hello friends, Zen Cooney here. Using my new club that I made for myself the other day, just using a hatchet and a knife and a saw. So I thought I'd take it for its first full-time spin. I've just been doing lots of heavy clubs and kettlebells today, so this is a little recovery work at the end, a little warm down. So we'll do some backhand shifts and some front hand shifts and see what comes up, what feels good for my chest and shoulder girdle right now. Oh, already I can feel relief, release, a lot of people don't realize that after you've done heavy work, if you come back and do light work at the end, it makes for a very potent antidote to the heavy work that you did. Because now everything done with a light club or a light kettlebell or a light sandbag, it's just a relief. So what I'm doing is a wide variety of moves that take my joints through many different permutations but I'm doing it with very light weight. All right, I love my new club. Take a look at it. I've got another one to do that's the same length, make myself a pair. Just a nice, simple, crude club. If you didn't catch my video where I show how to make it, just take a look on my channel and make yourself a nice one. Okay, so we're going to use two more pieces of equipment, longevity ring and double ball staff for our warm down. The ring, doing the eagle variations, and then we'll go to the double ball staff. So, starting off with the eagle variations, you need the ring on the outside, bring it out. Cross the arm with the ring over the top, pull down, and take it from the midline out and then back across the midline. Keep your elbows connected with each other. So the point of one elbow is basically in the pit of the other. Then let go with the top hand. You're already on the opposite hand then. Out and cross over. Pull down and out. So I am resisting. I'm pulling the ring apart as I do this to engage more muscle fibers. Again, let go of the top hand. You're in the opposite hand then. This time we've been in close. We're going to put the hand out in front and go straight up. So as one hand is pushing up, I'm pulling with the other hand to put some dynamic tension into the process. I'm also pressing my forearms against each other, or my elbow against my one forearm is more accurate. Let go of the top hand. You're in the opposite hand. Open up, cross again, away from your face, and lift up. Let go of the top hand, and you're in the opposite hand. Good deal. Put your ring down. Take your double ball staff, or if you have a straight staff, that'll work too. But instead of holding at the ends, if you have a 3-foot one, you can still hold at the ends. If you have your double ball staff, of course you're going to hold at the end. And if you have a longer staff, you can just hold it on the main shaft of the staff. So we're going to involve the rest of the body in what we've been doing. So we'll do a bend. Back up. Put a twist and crank into it. So you can see what I'm doing is building a little progression. We'll add one more, twisted X, and we'll bend forward. Now I'm just going to add one little change here. When I bend forward, I'm going to also push the hips back, bend the knees. So from the side. And there you have it. So by using my light homemade club, my double ball staff, and my longevity ring, I've just done a nice warm down. My body feels at ease, peaceful, serene, tranquil. Basically, I've created through my Primal Nature play a deep and profound sense of harmony. Do the same.